26,000 jobs cancelled. Allegations worth thousands of crores.
Are these crimes separate or a deeper systemic failure?
Over the past decades and a half, multiple corruption allegations have surfaced in the West Bengal. Coal, recruitment, ration distribution, chit funds, Manrega, almost every sector has come under scrutiny. In the coal smuggling case of 2018-20, allegations pointed to illegal transactions worth rupees 1900 crores. Investigations have indicated links to influential circles, though the legal process is still ongoing. The cattle smuggling case of 2015 also witnessed major financial irregularity of almost 500 to 1000 crores. Arrest, bails, and continuing probes. This case too remains under judicial scrutiny. The biggest shock came in the SSC recruitment scam, which began in 2014, but gradually complaints escalated in 2021. Finally, in 2024, around 26,000 appointments were cancelled by court order. The case showed the bleakness of merit and raised the question whether the state truly understands the importance of education. Meanwhile, in the public distribution scam of 2024, irregularities amounted to 10,000 crores. The case is also under investigations. Concerns have also been raised around Manrega funds and disaster relief distribution. Allegations include fake job cards, fund misappropriations, and poor project execution. Post the natural disaster of Amphan in 2020, the central government provided 1,000 crore in immediate relief. Flood relief distribution also faced scrutiny. Duplicate payments, ineligible beneficiaries, and local level corruption, with reports of funds being transferred multiple times to the same accounts. Looking back, the Saradha and Narada chit fund scams, which ran from 2009 to 2014, devastated thousands of small investors. Broad estimates suggest that 20,000 to 30,000 crores could never be traced. Taken together, one question emerges. Are these isolated incidents or indicators of a long-term systematic issue?